Hello. Today is new moon in Sagittarius, and it's a heavy, 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 heavy night. So I thought, why not let the moon be our guide from the Moonology Oracle deck? This deck is so crazy. This deck is so powerful. Here is like a channeled message, or just the message or the vibe. This full moon, I don't know who needs to hear this, but whoever needs to hear this, feel free to watch till the end. The card I have drawn is Hold Your Vision, Fixed Moon. Let us read about it. There are two main possibilities with this card. The first is that you need to stand firm in whatever situation you are in. The second, very different interpretation, is that something is stuck. A lot of us collectively are either stuck in some situation या फिर यूनिवर्स हमें बोल रहा है कि बाउंड्री सेट करो तुम जिस भी सिचुएशन में हो बिकॉज दैट सिचुएशन नीड्स योर अटेंशन यू नीड टू सेट योर बाउंड्री. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि आप उस सिचुएशन में इसीलिए फंसे हुए हो बिकॉज आप बाउंड्री नहीं सेट कर रहे हो. If that's the case, think about what you can do to grease the wheels so that the events move forward. अगर चीज़ें stuck हैं then तुम खुद सोच के देखो कि क्यों stuck है. What do I need to do to move forward? Is it something that I need to do, or is the energy stuck in general? Even if the energy is stuck in general, what can I do in this situation? How can I contribute in this situation? क्या तुम जिद्दी हो रहे हो? एंड अगर ऐसा है बहुत अच्छी बात है बिकॉज अगर तुम ज़िद्दी हो रहे हो ना किसी चीज़ को लेके यू आर लाइक कि मेरी ज़िद्द है मैं पकड़ के बैठूंगी मैंने बोल दिया ना ऐसा ही होगा देन कंग्रेचुलेशंस थिंग्स आर अबाउट टू बी चेंज्ड फॉर यू. सोल्यूशन आने वाला है. अपने पैर घुसाने बंद कर दो इस चीज़ में. इफ़ यू आर स्टबन बी स्टबन. इफ़ यू आर स्टबन बी स्टबन बट डोंट लाइक कीप डिगिंग योर हील्स इन द ग्राउंड एंड बीइंग लाइक नहीं मैं तो खोदूंगी मैं देखूंगी इसके नीचे क्या मुझे मैं जड़ में जाऊंगी. Maintain your boundary, girl. Maintain your boundary. Be the one to break the dreadlock. Because when you set a boundary, when you tell someone, listen, don't cross this door. If you cross this door, I'm going to shoot you. You are the one who breaks the dreadlock or the entire क्या बोलते हैं लिनिएज में अगर आपके चले आ रहा है कि अपनी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करनी है ना आप सडनली आके बोलते हो कि मैं सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट की ना मूर्ति हूँ. You break the dreadlock, you break the pattern, you break the cycle. And this is a full moon in Sagittarius. And as Gen Zs, we are collectively born during the Pluto in Sagittarius reign. So this moon really is like break the fucking cycle, break it, clock it. Which two interpretations for this card? It's up to you to decide क्या चल रहा है एंड इसका कैसा मीनिंग आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हो. ये थोड़ा सा सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन का पीरियड है. सो थिंग्स माइट बी कुक्ड एंड फक्ड अप फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ अस. फॉर सम पीपल ये स्टक ही रहने वाला है बिकॉज उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि अपनी फ्रीडम रिक्लेम कैसे करें वो ब्रेक फ्री कैसे करें. बिकॉज इट्स जेमिनी सीजन यूज योर वॉइस टू ब्रेक फ्री फ्रॉम दिस करंट cycle or whatever that you are stuck in. That's I would recommend. Now, how do you attune to the moon? Just say yes. Just say yes to whatever you feel. I feel bad. Okay, yes, I feel bad. I feel good. Yes, I feel good. I feel horrible. Yes, I feel horrible. I was literally second guessing my life before I picked this card. Yes, I'm second guessing my life and I'm gonna own up to it. Additional meanings for this card is stay strong, power, stay powerful, staying powerful. Have faith and patience. It's really needed in these times right now. Someone needs to back down. Maybe you're being too rigid or too stubborn. Maybe you need to pause down a little, take a little deep breath, and calm the fuck down, sister. Avoid stagnation. Don't be the like the water just may algae lag jati hai. Keep moving forward. Even if things are hard, embrace your truth, embrace your blocks, and that's how you move forward. A personal or a professional relationship will be enduring. The teaching with this moon is astrology में तीन तरह के साइंस होते हैं कार्डिनल म्यूटेबल एंड फिक्स्ड. फिक्स साइंस वो होते हैं लियो टॉरस स्कॉर्पियो एंड एक्वेरियस. आई फील लाइक दीज zodiacs might be getting impacted by the moon a lot. I think wait I wrote it in my journal yesterday what signs are like being favorable by the moon. The moon is definitely favorable for Aquarius, Libra, Leo, Aries. Yeah. So fixed signs are being impacted by this moon. like Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius, and these are also the favorable signs. So moon तो मैं ऐसे bless कर रहा है. The fixed signs की एक आदत है. They can be very rigid, very stubborn. They are like, this is my boundary. Fuck with it. Do whatever you wanna do with it. Right. So anything that's just starting as you draw this card might as well last longer, because I think this card, this fixed moon card, really speaks to a lot of to all the fixed sign people basically. Remember, we all have each star signs in our chart. It's just okay, yeah. हमारे birth chart में we are every zodiac, so we all are fixed signs also. We have fixed modality also. Yes, the fixed signs can be stubborn, so anything that's just starting as you draw this card might as well last longer. Let's say if you're starting a new relationship or a new job or something new right now with this full moon, it's gonna last longer because you are setting the right kind of boundaries, the right kind of, you're using your words in the right way, you're spelling your words in the right way, you're casting spells in the right way, so it's gonna last. The card says that. And hold on to that vision, whatever vision that you are visualizing right now. You know what, this is a self-validating thing for me. I'm gonna hold on to my vision that I am gonna attract and manifest my dream reality and move out of this current house. तो मेरे पीछे बढ़िया background देखोगे फिर जब मैं video बना रही होंगी. I'm gonna actually hold on to that vision and drop down what vision are you holding on to with this full moon.